In this example, I'm going to use pysimCoder in order to generate a NUTTX code from a block diagram. In this block diagram, I read an analog signal from the ADC pin of my STM32 card and send the signal to a real-time plot. I open pysimCoder. I get from my NUTTX library the AD block and the serial out block. The configuration of the ADC port is given by the device ADC 0 and by the Umin and Umax values. These are the values where I can map the 0 to 3.3 volt that I read from the ADC input of my STM card. I connect my serial out. I choose the NUTTX template makefile. I get 0.01 second of sampling time, 10 milliseconds. And now I can generate my code. I save this as test 2 and I start the code generation. Okay, now I can load my code into the card. I open now my signal generator. And I create signals with amplitude 1 volt, 1 hertz, and an offset 1.5 volt. I send this signal to my card. Now I open my terminal to the Nut shell. I start my application. I open the real-time plot and I start to see my signal. The signal goes from 0.5 to 2.5 volt and is read from the ADC port. Now I can change, for example, my signal to a triangle, and we see that this triangle is red and blocked. Or I can choose, for example, another specific signal, a ramp or a trapezium, and see that the signal is correctly read and sent to my real-time plot.